setting out the Solomon's Knot mosaic. So this is the pattern you're going to be following. You need a baseboard, clippers, tesserae, instructions, pencil and your staff. So this is the pattern that you're following. Now obviously you're not going to draw that out on the board, so it's easy to try and envisage the pattern as this. So if we rotate it slightly, then that will give you a better idea of it. It's called a knot, but in effect it's two chain links together. So what you need to think about is you're doing these as strands. So you're doing this strand, you're doing this strand, you're doing this strand. Try not to think of the individual tesserae. Try to think of how you're creating this pattern. So get your staff and you just need to roughly mark the center of your board. So we'd see that's going to be roughly pretty much the same. Don't need to be hyper accurate with these. So you glue, get one of your white tesserae. Now this is the center one there, and it's set as a diamond shape, not a square. See that? That's quite important. Right, now using your staff, there's your CT, there are your strands. What I want you to do is put one white tesserae again at the end, there and there. Now you can see that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 tesserae gap, 4 tesserae gap between them. Do the same on the other side. There, you're lining this up with the mark on the CT, corner to corner. Get your white tesserae down. Make sure you've got that corner to corner line, and as you can see, 4 tesserae in between. So you end up with this shape. There, we go back to that drawing, that's what you want. There are your center tesserae. That's what everything turns around on. So now we can start doing the black lines. What we're going to be doing is filling in these inside ones. So it's like doing a drawing. I want you to put a line of glue up there with your black. Now remember, you don't tesserae count. Don't try to put the exact number of tesserae that are in my drawing in your mosaic. The tesserae are the measurement of a mosaic, but the lines create the pattern. So you're creating a line there. Notice this is offset. This is to the right as you look at it. Then we want it to curl all the way around. So square, so make it easy on yourself. Use your nippers and a couple of triangles there. See, this line is to the upper side of that and it curves all the way around. You're going to use triangles to curve on this corner because this is a very sharp corner, so you have to use triangles on that. Now I want you to repeat it on the other three, sorry, but realize that the line is to the side. It's to the side. It's almost like a spiral. You can see in your drawing there, there's this, they all offset to the side. Don't run them into the center tesserae, always to the side.